Let's talk about how to divide integers. So if you have 8 divided by 2, that equals 4. And how should we think about this? Well, you can really turn it into a multiplication problem if you want. Find a number which, when multiplied by 2, is going to give you 8. So it's sort of turning it around in a way, thinking of it in terms of multiplication. And we can also write this as 8 divided by 2 equals 4, where we have the 8 over the 2, kind of like in a fraction. And in this case, we can say the 8 is the dividend, the 2 is the divisor, and the 4 is the quotient. And you can also use these same terms when you have 8 divided by 2 written like this. We could say that the 8 here is the dividend, the 2 is the divisor, and the 4 is the quotient. So there's several different ways to write division. What about the rules for division? Well, they're very simple. They're very similar to the rules for multiplication. If the signs are the same, the quotient is positive. So 10 divided by 5, that's positive 2. Negative 10 divided by negative 5, well, the signs are the same. They're both negative, so the quotient is positive. We get positive 2. If the signs are different, the quotient is negative. 10 divided by negative 5, that's negative 2. Or negative 10 divided by 5, it's also negative 2. What about 6 divided by 0? How would you do something like that? Well, we would need to find a number that when multiplied by 0 gives 6. But anything multiplied by 0 is going to be 0, so there isn't a number that's going to work for this. So in this case, it's impossible. So what we say is that division by 0 is undefined. We just refuse to define it. So if you ever see something divided by 0, just say undefined. But if you want to do 0 divided by 6, that's totally okay. That's just 0. 0 divided by anything, as long as it's not 0 divided by 0, is totally okay, and the answer will always be 0.